Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to complete your profile after signing up on JobStreet. But first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So first open the app. After that click on the Me icon at the bottom of the screen, the last one. After that click on your profile's name, and then you can see the complete profile button. Click on that. So you have to type in where you are living exactly. Alright, so I've just typed in those information, and after that I click on the next, and right now I have to give information about my education. Alright, so I just typed in these informations. Alright, next. After that, work experience. Right now I just typed in my work experience, and then it's all set. I completed my profile, and if you want to change something you can click on the pencil icon, and after that you can edit the informations. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.